Welcome to my class, creating videos from images using Dream Machine. I'm excited to guide you through this journey of transforming static images into videos with ease. In this class, you'll learn how to harness the power of Luma Dream Machine, a cutting-edge AI tool that allows you to create high-quality, realistic videos from text or images. So whether you're an artist, creator, marketer, or simply passionate about new technology, this class has something for everyone. We'll start with the basics and we'll gradually move on to extending clips and adding keyframes. And by the end of this class, you'll have the skills to create videos that stand out in your portfolio, social media, or other platforms. Here's a quick look at what we'll cover in this class. So we'll look at getting started and have an overview of Dream Machine. Then we'll create our first image to video. And then we'll take a look at how we can control our video using start and end frames. Then we'll look at extending the videos, and then we'll download them and bring them all together. So by the end of this class, you'll have the skills to create videos from images in a fraction of the time it usually takes. With social media platforms increasingly prioritizing video content, mastering Dream Machine will give you a competitive edge and help you stand out online. Welcome to lesson 1. Today we're exploring Luma Dream Machine, an advanced AI tool designed to create high quality, realistic videos quickly from text and images. This tool is perfect for anyone looking to add motion to their still images. This is becoming increasingly important as more and more clients are expecting moving images to grab attention. So Luma Dream Machine uses a scalable transformer model trained on videos to generate consistent shots with smooth motion. Its features include generating videos from images, using prompts for guidance, extending clips, adding keyframes, and creating loops. And these capabilities make it incredibly versatile. This tool can significantly speed up the video creation process. Using this in combination with 3D rendering or generative AI like Adobe Firefly, Midjourney, or DALL-E will make your workflow much more efficient, saving you time while ensuring high quality results. Dive into applying these features into your own images, and we'll start by generating your first video from a static image and explore some essential tips to get you started. Creating your first video from a static image. So we're going to use the free version, and all you need to do is go to lumalabs.ai/Dream Machine and create a login. And once you sign in, you'll come to a screen like this. So the first thing we're going to want to do is add our image, and this is the image I'm going to upload. So I'll drag and drop that here. And all I'm going to do is write camera panning from right to left, and I'll hit generate. And after a few minutes, we're going to get back something that looks like this. And we can see that the camera is panning from right to left. So you don't always have to add a prompt. And I actually added a couple of other images in, and I let Luma do what it wanted. And you can see it came out with some pretty interesting results. And that's how easy it is to add motion to your images. But for greater control, we're going to look at using start and end frames, which we're going to do in. Then we're going to look at what's possible using start and end frames, and this is particularly useful to have more control over the output. So we'll start by inputting the initial image we used last time. So I'll just drag and drop that in, and you can see that there is an end frame here. So what I'm going to do is add a frame. This is a render, and I rendered the middle of the bed. So I've just added those in. I'm going to leave the prompt blank and I'll hit generate. And after a few minutes, Dream Machine has filled in the gaps, and you can see the output here. I also tried this with an image of the other side of the bed, and let's take a look at the results. So this was the results here. And you can see the bigger the gap, the more artificial the output starts to look, as there's just a whole lot more frames to input here. So you can really see the power of the start and end frames and being able to control where the camera goes. So next up, we're going to take a look at how we can extend these videos. So you can extend the length of your AI generated video clips to maintain the consistency. And by hitting extend, what it will do is extend the length of the clip by 5 more seconds. And all we have to do is find the extend button, which you'll see below the video, so we can see it here. And if you click that, the AI will automatically extend the video by another 5 seconds, starting from the last frame of your original video. So we can see a couple of videos that I've extended. So this one continues quite nicely, it spins round. And I also extended a couple more of these. So this one, we extended even further as well. So that's how we can extend the length of our videos. So now let's take a look at downloading them. Downloading your videos is as simple as finding the download button, hit that, and it will download your MP4 file. So you can go through, download all the videos and the extended ones that we created, and you can go over to the video editor of choice and just bring them together. And what we're going to do is create a nice quick montage of the videos, so you could use them as standalone, or you can bring the sequence of videos together into a longer video. Let's quickly recap what we've covered. We explored the tool's interface and capabilities. You learned how to upload your images and generate videos. We covered how to set the initial and end frames to control your video. And you also learned how to extend the length of your video clips. Then we downloaded them and we combined them into a video sequence.